June is truly the golden window for UK gardeners, a time when the garden bursts into life and almost anything you plant will thrive. After months of waiting through the unpredictable spring weather, June finally brings the warmth and stability that both plants and gardeners crave. The days are long, the nights are mild, and the soil is teeming with life. This is the moment when your vegetable patch can transform from a patchwork of seedlings into a lush, productive oasis. The earth is now warm and welcoming, having absorbed the sun's energy over the past weeks. The sun is generous, pouring down light for up to 16 hours a day, and plants respond with a remarkable burst of growth. Roots dig deeper, leaves unfurl, and flowers begin to form. The soil is alive with earthworms and beneficial microbes, all working together to support your crops. This is the season when your efforts are rewarded with visible, rapid progress. Thanks to June's long sun-filled days, vegetables grow at an astonishing rate. You'll notice beans racing up their supports, courgettes and cucumbers flowering, and leafy greens like lettuce and spinach doubling in size almost overnight. Tomatoes begin to set fruit, and peas fill their pods. Every day brings new changes, making this an exciting and rewarding time to be in the garden. But with all this growth comes a challenge. Hot, dry spells can quickly parch your garden, leaving plants stressed and wilting. Watering is absolutely key in June. Early morning or late evening is the best time to water, allowing moisture to soak in before the heat of the day. Consider mulching your beds to help retain precious moisture and keep roots cool. Consistent watering will keep your vegetables healthy and productive, even during the hottest spells. Today, I'll reveal the very best vegetables to plant in June, from quick-growing salads to heat-loving beans and squashes. I'll also share expert tips for a bumper harvest, how to succession sow for continuous crops, which varieties thrive in summer heat, and how to keep pests at bay. Whether you're a seasoned grower or just starting out, June is your chance to make the most of the season and enjoy a garden brimming with fresh, homegrown produce. Let's dive in and make this your most productive month yet. If you're new to gardening and looking for a crop that's almost guaranteed to reward your efforts, French beans are your best bet. These vibrant, productive plants are often called the ultimate beginner crop for good reason. They're fast-growing, easy to care for, and incredibly generous with their harvests. Whether you have a sprawling backyard or just a few pots on a balcony, French beans can fit right into your gardening plans and deliver satisfying results in no time. To get started, simply sow the seeds a couple of centimeters deep in warm, well-watered soil. French beans love warmth, so wait until the risk of frost has passed and the soil feels comfortable to the touch. With just a little attention, you'll see the first shoots poking through the soil in a matter of days, a sure sign that your garden is coming to life. If you're short on space or want to keep things simple, choose dwarf varieties. These compact plants are perfect for pots, containers, or even window boxes, making them ideal for urban gardeners or anyone with limited outdoor space. Dwarf French beans don't need much support and can thrive on a sunny patio or balcony. For those with a bit more room or a vertical garden setup, climbing varieties are a fantastic choice. These vigorous plants will happily scramble up trellises, fences, or even bamboo canes, making the most of your vertical space and adding a lush, green backdrop to your garden. Watching the vines twist and climb is a joy in itself, and they'll reward you with long, tender pods all summer long. The best part? If you sow your seeds now, you'll be picking crisp, delicious beans by August. French beans grow quickly, so you won't have to wait long to enjoy the fruits of your labor. There's nothing quite like harvesting your own fresh beans, still warm from the sun, and adding them straight to your meals. As your beans grow, remember to keep the soil consistently moist. Beans are thirsty plants, especially as they establish their roots and begin to flower. Water deeply and regularly, aiming to keep the soil damp, but not waterlogged. This helps the plants develop strong roots and ensures a steady supply of pods. To make your job even easier, add a layer of mulch around the base of your plants. Mulching helps retain precious moisture in the soil, reduces the need for frequent watering, and suppresses weeds that might compete with your beans for nutrients and water. Straw, grass clippings, or even shredded leaves work well as mulch. One of the hidden benefits of growing French beans is their ability to enrich your soil. These clever plants form a partnership with soil bacteria to fix nitrogen from the air, turning it into a form that other plants can use. This means your soil will be healthier and more fertile for future crops, making French beans a great addition to any crop rotation plan. For a continuous supply of fresh beans throughout the summer, try sowing a few seeds every couple of weeks. This simple trick, known as succession planting, ensures you'll always have young, tender pods to harvest, rather than a single, overwhelming glut. Label your rows or pots so you can keep track of your planting schedule. With quick results, abundant harvests, and a forgiving nature, French beans truly have it all. They're resilient to most pests and diseases, bounce back from minor mistakes, and reward even the most inexperienced gardener with baskets full of crisp, tasty beans. Whether you steam them, stir-fry them, or eat them raw, the flavor of homegrown French beans is unbeatable. So if you're looking for a fast, fun, and foolproof way to start your gardening journey, give French beans a try. With just a little care and attention, you'll discover just how easy and rewarding growing your own food can be. It's hard to go wrong. Runner beans are truly the vertical stars of the summer vegetable garden, transforming any patch of earth into a lush, living tower of green. With their vigorous growth, these climbing plants quickly cover supports, creating impressive towers of pods that seem to reach for the sky. Their presence adds height, drama, and a sense of abundance to any garden space, making them a favorite among gardeners who love both beauty and productivity. To get started, sow 2 healthy runner bean seed per cane, spacing them about 5 centimeters deep in rich, well-prepared soil. This simple step sets the stage for a season of growth and harvest. Make sure your supports are sturdy. Bamboo canes or wigwams work perfectly, as runner beans are natural climbers and will need something strong to cling to as they grow. Once planted, you'll be amazed at how quickly the vines scramble skyward, twining and spiraling around their supports with remarkable energy. In just a few weeks, your garden will be transformed by these vigorous climbers, creating living green towers that are both functional and beautiful. For the best flavor and texture, keep picking young pods regularly. This not only ensures a continuous harvest well into autumn, but also encourages the plants to keep producing more beans. The more you pick, the more they grow, rewarding you with a steady supply of crisp, tender pods. Water deeply and consistently, especially as the plants begin to climb and set pods. Runner beans thrive in moist soil, and regular watering is key to preventing the pods from becoming tough or stringy. Mulching around the base of the plants can help retain moisture and keep the roots cool during hot summer days. One of the joys of growing runner beans is their vibrant flowers, which come in shades of red, white, or even bi-colored varieties. These blossoms are not only beautiful, but they also attract a host of pollinators, bees, butterflies, and other beneficial insects, helping to ensure a bountiful crop. The combination of lush green foliage and striking flowers adds a splash of color and life to your vegetable plot, making runner beans as ornamental as they are productive. Their presence can transform even a small garden into a vibrant, living tapestry. June is the perfect time to plant runner beans, as the soil has warmed and the risk of frost has passed. With just a little care, regular watering, picking, and support, you can expect armfuls of fresh, delicious beans throughout the summer and into the early autumn. Whether you're growing them for their beauty, their harvest, or both, runner beans are a rewarding addition to any garden. June is your last chance to sow peas. Don't miss out. Sow directly into warm soil or deep containers and provide support. Most varieties are ready in about 12 weeks. Mangetout and sugar snaps are even quicker. Peas fix nitrogen, enriching your soil for future crops. Water regularly and mulch to conserve moisture. Protect young shoots from birds with netting. Taste peas straight from the pod for a true summer treat. Sweetcorn needs to be sown by mid-June for a late summer harvest. Plant in blocks, not rows, to ensure good pollination and full cobs. Keep soil moist and mulch to retain water. Feed with liquid seaweed or compost tea for a boost. Sweetcorn adds drama to your plot and rewards you with juicy cobs. Don't wait. Get those seeds in now. Early June is prime time to sow courgettes, marrows, and pumpkins outdoors. These plants love warmth and need plenty of space to sprawl. Sow seeds directly or start in pots, then transplant. Feed with compost and keep soil moist. Protect seedlings from slugs and mulch to retain moisture. By August, you'll have more courgettes than you know what to do with. Don't delay. Give these giants a warm start. June is perfect for sowing carrots for late summer or autumn harvest. Sow thinly in fine, loose soil and keep moist until germination. Sow little and often for a steady supply. Cover with mesh to deter carrot fly. Homegrown carrots are sweet and earthy, far better than shop-bought. Pulling your first carrots is a gardener's rite of passage. Start now for a classic, rewarding crop. Beetroot is a quick, colorful crop for June sowing. Sow seeds directly, thin seedlings, and keep soil moist. Harvest baby beets in 7 weeks, larger roots in 12. Sow in batches for a continuous supply. Enjoy both roots and leaves. Young tops are delicious in salads. Add beetroot to your June list for beauty and flavor. Lettuce can be tricky in June heat, but it's worth the effort. Choose heat-tolerant varieties and sow little and often. Provide afternoon shade to keep leaves tender. Water well and protect from slugs. Cut-and-come-again types offer continuous harvests. Sow every 10 days for a steady supply. There's nothing like fresh-picked lettuce for summer salads. Radishes are the fastest crop, ready in just 4 weeks. Sow directly, thin seedlings, and keep soil moist. Perfect for filling gaps and for impatient gardeners. Try different varieties for a range of flavors. Radishes are a magical, quick win for any garden. Every patch should have a row or two this June. Spinach thrives with a June sowing. Pick leaves in 6 to 8 weeks. Turnips and kohlrabi can be sown now for autumn harvests. Sow seeds in rows, thin seedlings, and keep soil moist. Harvest spinach young to prevent bolting. Turnips and kohlrabi are best picked before they get her. And stower, pistoisti. Gets the naughty bed. What dan just today, when bind. Plant then in 9 stand, obadabo kur danger, on dower and the dunenstain and danger, and stower. Now for greens and roots into autumn. June is the time to sow winter cabbage, sprouting broccoli and kale. Start seeds in trays or modules, then transplant when strong. Kale is especially productive. Pick leaves all winter, protect seedlings from slugs and pigeons. Healthy young plants now mean abundant winter harvests. Plan ahead, and your garden will keep producing through the cold.